Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Today, we are driving around in a Tesla Model 3 Sport, Nathan.
Sport!
Let's do this!
Bro, you got like the Ponzi stance going. Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Bro! Oh my word! Bro! That is... bro!
We've never been in a Tesla or an electric car before. This is a whole new experience for us, and we've taken it for a short drive each already. And I have to say, it is nothing short of exciting.
It is so good. Shout out to our mate who just bought this. It's honestly just fantastic. The one thing, or the two things he said, one thing that you can't do is curb my wheels, and we're gonna make sure that we don't curb his wheels. And the second thing is that he made us promise to drive it hard. So
that's exactly what we're gonna do.
That's exactly what we have already done, and we'll continue to do. So today it's gonna be a bit of a vlog style. We're just gonna be hanging out, driving the Tesla, and sharing our thoughts, our insights on what this car is. Is it even a car, Nathan?
It's a spaceship.
It's a spaceship, honestly. It's so different. Anyway, let's do it.
It's quite an experience. I feel like I'm driving an iPad. Look at this.
You are driving an iPad. There's absolutely nothing here.
No, but look at this massive screen. It's literally like a giant iPad.
I know, but there's no gear shifter, there's no handbrake.
And you look at this, you can put your phone in here and it charges. What a
You have to have an iPhone 8 and up for it to do that.
Yeah, we've even got a, your center console compartment with pocket knife, mints, and a first aid kit.
That's fantastic, Nathan. And well, basically with everything going on here, pretty much just wheel. Like there's no dash, there's no nothing, Nathan.
I tell you what, it is like a PlayStation, a spaceship, and a supercar all in one. Look at these little things. It reminds me of when I used to play like PS2, like Need for Speed Underground. You got these little joystick thingies going on. The steering wheel feels real nice, like it's real small and tight, like a sports car should be. And honestly, it picks up, which you'll see. You'll see it picks up. There's nothing I don't really like about it so far. It's just very good. I'm sure we'll find something, but it's amazing.
One feature that I love about this car, Nathan, is that the roof all the way to the back is completely glass, except for that bar that runs across.
I'm about to get on the motorway very soon, and I'm gonna put my foot down a little bit. So you're gonna need to use two hands to hold that camera, JD.
Make sure that we are in the right settings here. So we got chill and we got sport saved to the top, and what we're going to do is make sure that our steering is in sport as well. You're ready to put your foot down on the on-ramp. Make sure there's no trucks in the T2 lane.
You might want to turn the mic volume down because I might scream.
Let's go.
Okay, yep. Fastest car I've ever been in. Wow, I've had my foot down for like half a second and I was already in outer space.
That's incredible power.
That is wild.
What in the
wild?
And that was not even like, there was no fuss about it, bro.
I'm already in another city.
What in the world is going on here?
I don't know, but that was phenomenal.
Wow.
You know what's fun though? You know what's fun?
Oh. Okay, bro, that is, wow.
You literally just tap the throttle.
Are you gonna prepare me next time for that?
You tap the throttle and you're in another.
See, whenever you see a car on the side of the road, you're like, is it a cop? Is it a camera? Is it something? But no, it's just a broken down Mazda. Nathan? Oh, Nathan, look at here.
That is my brother, Tiff Joss.
Probably shouldn't film this guy, but
what's up, Tiff Joss?
He's probably filming us, Nathan.
Yeah.
There's so many cameras on this car.
That's the other thing about this car is these cameras 360 degrees around it. So if you're in an accident, it'll record it, no matter where you're coming from.
It honestly is so amazing, Nathan. It actually has a radar around the car as well, so it monitors the cars that are coming up next to you, like that truck. You see that? That was incredible. It just monitors and keeps the distance, knows exactly how far you are from anything and everything. The future is here, Nathan.
We were having a conversation earlier about, you know, gasoline-powered cars and electric cars, and obviously, I think there'll be a special place in every car enthusiast's heart for gasoline-powered cars and the internal combustion engines. There is something special about electric cars too. They're kind of like, you can't really put them in the same league. They're just different, you know? They're both awesome in their own right.
That's the first time ever, Nathan, I've ever heard you pour out your heart like that on this channel.
You know, sometimes there's a place, time and place to be deep and meaningful.
How good's that roof though, Nathan? That's insane. Oh, wow. With a press of a button, Nathan. With a press of a button. Oh. Oh.
Gosh, man, I wish I had a nicer car today. One thing that I've noticed about this car is that I don't think I've used the brake the whole time. It brakes by itself, and I can't remember the last time I actually put my foot on the brake. It's pretty remarkable.
I like how Tesla actually gave you the option to use the brake pedal in case of an emergency, which is really cool, so very exciting. Got coffee. This is fantastic.
What a dream.
Wow.
You know, we're working today. We're working so hard. JD's getting a bunch of B-roll footage of the Tesla at the moment, and as you can tell, we're having a bunch of fun. But one thing that we would love to hear from you guys is this a car enthusiast car? I mean, it's clearly a sports car, but what is it to you? Is this the future of car meets? Are Teslas the future of track days and cars like them? Chuck it down in the comments. We'd love to hear what you guys think about Teslas and where they fit in the car world and the car scene. Who knew a family sedan would be this exciting? Now, the first things that you'll see from the front, obviously, no grille. No grille at all. It's just plastic, Nathan. How good. I love the headlights. I love the details in the bumpers. I love the wheels. It's just designed, Nathan, really, really well, in my opinion. We all know it drives fantastic, but it really does look like a sleeper. Like, you wouldn't think that this car would be going 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds or whatever it is. In a nutshell, Nathan, the Model 3, this one here, is unlike anything we've ever experienced before. The way it looks, the way it drives, it's just so different. I love it. I'm getting one. Like, I'm gonna sell everything. Sell the Skyline, sell the Silvia, sell the Audi, just buy a Tesla. Buy a Tesla. If everyone just shares this video, then we can get one each. Such a quick car, Nathan. It's very fast.
It's such a quick car. Like, it's so quick. It's just... Oh! It's
the camera just smacked my face, bro.
It's literally just...
Oh! There's so much torque.
It's insane, bro. It's honestly just insane.
You put your foot down for like a split second and it's just like poof, it just glues you straight away.
Do you feel what it feels like uphill?
Yeah, sure.
No one takes a gap.
Bro, you got like the Ponzi stance going. Whoa!
Oh my gosh, bro! Oh my word,
bro!
That is, oh, bro. That was uphill as well.
I wasn't even looking out the windscreen. I was just like, no.
I just feel sick.
Bro, I honestly...
I swallowed my guts, bro. We shouldn't be doing this. This should not be legal, man.
It's not.
This shouldn't.
We're literally just like... just tapping the throttle, like just tapping the throttle, not even trying to go fast, and it just throws you back in. It just throws you, man. It just throws you. It's wild. It's nuts. It's nuts. There's nothing like it. It's nuts. It is so tempting.
Bro, I'm like shaking, hey. That's how quick this thing is. I know there are quicker cars out there, and someone watching this right now is probably like, you know what, my Aventador or my whatever is quicker than this. But I'm like, yeah, I know, but it's just, I've never driven anything quicker than this. This is proper quick, Nathan. This is proper quick. I'm just gonna do this. Just chill out, bro. Just stand in the
the chill mode.
Just chill out, bro.
See what you're doing here.
This is too much, bro.
Just click chill. It's time to chill, JD. We've had a bit of fun punching the throttle.
You know what's funny? You put it in chill mode, it's still a quick car. It still goes.
Well, we've had a really fun day in the Tesla, and we've just finished taking some shots here of the car, which is awesome, and just getting some detailed shots and stuff. But now we are moving on to get the video that we've been planning to make on this car. So we're doing like a little, kind of like a dramatized little sequence. So hopefully it turns out good. Not something we're used to filming, so something a little bit different. So hopefully people like it. It's just for fun, just sort of like a portfolio piece or whatever.
Nathan, one thing that this car does really well is drive. It doesn't need a driver. It can drive by itself. Now, I've been told if I click this stalk on the right twice, it will drive by itself. So now it's completely driving itself at 100 k's.
You have your arms folded and you're driving a car at 100 kilometers an hour.
It's turning itself. Huh.
That's wild, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Like, we're turning corners and everything. JD's getting the skyline out. Yes, he still has it. We have found our filming location. This is Tim. Say hi, Tim.
Kia ora, hi Tim. Tim's helping us out tonight. He's going to be driving the Skyline, and we're going to get Nathan driving the Tesla, and I'll be on camera. So it's going to be a fun time. It's going to be a real good time. I hope this comes together the way I have it imagined in my brain.
He's a creative genius, I tell you.
Let's go.
We, to be honest, it's been a bit of impromptu, and that's always a bit of fun. However, do need to tell everyone here, Tim, especially Tim, that we are not breaking any laws tonight. There's no actual drag race, although it's a little hint. It's like a theme of the video. So yeah, a drag race. So we'll see what happens.
Well, what a fun day we've had driving around in this Tesla. It is a fantastic car, and well, what a great way to end the video, Nathan, with a nice little edit, bit of camera work,
yeah.
You know.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a bit of fun, yeah, absolutely. Something we chucked together, and I just want to emphasize there was no actual drag race. Okay, we didn't actually race, and we were being responsible throughout the day as well. We made sure that we were keeping under the speed limit and obeying our local laws here in New Zealand. So make sure you do the same. Please drive responsibly, keep yourself safe and others. That's really important. But the Tesla is a fantastic car, and we're not going to say too much more about it because we've already seen a whole lot more. We actually want to hear what you guys think about the car. Chuck down in the comments what you think about it, where it fits in the car scene, and yeah, honestly, we both really enjoyed it.
We love it, Nathan. Well, we hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure you stick around for some other episodes that are coming out soon. Heaps happening on this dude's car. And make sure you check out all our other videos. Like us on Instagram, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Okay, I had banana shake, bro. I'm not feeling that great, hey? Oh.
I'm not surprised.
Okay.
So go. I look so pale. Can we swap sides?
Sure.
I look like I'm a ghost.
How's that? Is that better?
Yeah.